Local news for Wednesday the 10th of October. Transport Minister Phil Twyford announced yesterday that the Wairarapa rail line will undergo a significant upgrade with the approval of a $96 million investment which will help grow the region's economy and boost tourism. Work on the Wairarapa rail line is part of a total $196 million investment in the region and the government's wider $9 billion package in public transport, with work expected to start in April next year. Pukaha is launching a brand new look and a special new locals rate for residents from Northwood to Featherston. Pukaha will hold a community open day with free guided tours and activities from 10 until 3 on the 21st of this month. Entry is by koha. Locals will get half-price entry in the future, and if they take full-paying visitors, entry will be free. And in sport, the Pioneer Rugby Club appeal will be heard tonight. The club is appealing the decision, which saw them forfeit the promotion relegation game against Marston and Red Star for playing an illegal player.